Welcome back to another video of Stories Hub channel. If you haven't subscribed to be part of the Stories Hub community yet, then come and join us and never miss out on any of our latest, freshest uploads as soon as they're available. Now, kick back, relax, and let's dive into the best top 5 ways to make money online fastest with Google. Number 1. Google Adsense. The most well-liked method of earning money with Google is this one. A program called Google Adsense compensates you for placing advertisements on your website or blog. You receive a commission each time a visitor shows interest in the advertisements. Your website or blog will generate more revenue the more visitors it receives and the more ad interest it receives. Number 2. Search engine optimization. Google is the most widely used search engine. The majority of online businesses get their leads from Google searches. Let's imagine you want to purchase a car. You search for where to purchase a car in Lagos on Google. You'll probably click on the first few results you see and purchase what you find. Number 3. YouTube videos. Google owns the video sharing website YouTube. According to Alexa, it is the second most popular website in the entire world. You can make money on YouTube without having a website. You can earn money online with Google through YouTube if you enjoy creating videos with your phone or camera. Number 4. Graphics design. You might think about becoming a graphic designer if you have an eye for color combinations and attractive design, and if you enjoy creating art and using computers. Similar to other computer-related careers, graphic design is one of the most difficult skills to master in order to earn money from home and will continue to be in great demand for years to come. Number 5. Freelance writing. One of the finest paying internet careers for college students who enjoy writing and have solid grammar and research skills is freelancing. All you will need is an internet-connected PC. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. All about the best top 5 ways to make money online fastest with Google. Do you like and learn anything from it? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Stories Hub channel for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.